Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, we're gonna be doing a full face of makeup using Sheglam. If you don't know what Sheglam is, it's actually from Shein. I feel like everyone knows Shein, it's the fashion site. I feel like a lot of brands lately that just do fashion have been coming out with makeup. I'm gonna get my hair back first, just so it doesn't get in the way. I feel like I need to get a haircut. Like I always feel like I just wanna chop my hair off. Does anyone feel like that too? Because my hair never does anything. I don't know. I'm just going to show you everything that they sent over. This is the makeup sponge. This is the product that I actually did a sponsorship with them. And they just sent over like their whole line of makeup. So yeah, I just wanted to review products to let you guys know if it's worth it or not. Different colors. There's one in orange. There's one in like a beige color, green, and then black. This is the box here. I think it's super cute. So this is the sponge. It is multi-faced. So it has all these little sides. It has like a nice straight side on the bottom here and one on the top. So it also comes with this little egg. I think this is super cool and unique. So it doesn't say on the packaging, but definitely this is where you would store your beauty blender, maybe if it's drying or something, or just so you don't get it mixed up with other ones, or you don't want to put it next to like a dirty sponge. First up, we're gonna try the concealer. This is the packaging here. I did get to pick my colors, so sometimes it's kind of hard to tell what color's what, but this is the shade Whipped Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this first and we'll see. I haven't used this before, so I have no idea what it's gonna be like. That is blending out pretty well, actually. So it is super white, but like these are the colors I chose, so I probably could have went one shade up. Dries down. There was a lot of good working time. Next, we're gonna go into the foundation. This is the Complex Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I think the bottle is actually really nice. So it comes in a glass bottle here. Here's the top of it. It has the S for Sheglam. I think that's really nice. So normally I just put a couple pumps on my hand here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it said it was fragrance free. Yeah, there's no smell to it at all, so that is true. And I'm just using the sponge here. I usually just do a couple dots all over. Let's see how this goes. So it definitely is spreading really nicely and like a lot. That I didn't really put much on my face at all and it smoothed out pretty well. I put way too much. I did not need all of this. Yeah, wow, that is definitely medium to full coverage. I really like how it is fragrance free. Like there is no smell to this at all, which is really, really nice. The color is a little bit too light. Normally with my foundations, I do go to fair, so I thought this would be okay. Next up, we have the Baked Setting Powder. This apparently has a glow to it. So this one I got in Cappuccino. And let's just see. This packaging is nothing special. Woo! No smell to that either, so that's interesting too. Okay, so there's the powder, so let me just do a swatch because I feel like I may have picked the wrong shade. Oh, maybe not. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and set under my eyes and around my smile lines. That's normally where I set my foundation. Nice, I like it. So next up, I'm gonna do some contour and blush. So this is the highlight palette, but there is one shade that you could definitely use for contour in here. In light of this video and everything Sheglam, I'm gonna go ahead and use the sponge for this as well. I don't know how well it's gonna work on powder. Like if you're using a cream contour, it works a lot better. I have tried that. Oh, so we know that that is really pigmented. This side, I messed this up. Okay, I have to go in with a brush because I totally screwed that. Next up, we have the blush. So this is the packaging for that. This is in the shade 101 Orgasm Blush / Highlight. That is so cute. I've never seen a blush like this. It's like a little, looks like a little mushroom top. Product like at the bottom, I don't know if you can see, but I wonder how it would keep coming up. You know what I mean? If there's nothing to push it. That's really, really interesting. So let's do a little swatcheroo. Wow! I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but there is like a little bit of shimmer to it as well. I don't know how much is gonna come out, and now I'm a little bit scared because that contour was just so heavy. So I'm just gonna go, ooh, a little dab like that. Boop, boop. This is really fun. Let's blend this baby out. It's blending out okay. So now I know I can put more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more, a little bit on the nose and the chin. It's coming out a little bit patchy. It's looking okay. This side, I'm not sure how that side is looking. When in doubt, blend it out with your finger. The highlighter. So this highlighter I have used and I do really like it. So there is 5 highlighters and 1 contour. More like a shiny white. There's some golds, a peachy color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. Okay, so there are all the colors there. I think they look pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use the lightest one. I personally like when highlights stand out a little bit more. So far everything has been pretty nice and pigmented. Okay, next up we're gonna go on to the eyes. So we have the Sheglam. This is called the Beach Sunset Palette. So this, I have used one color in here already. It was New Moon, and this worked really well. So now I wanna try some other shades and see how well those work. I'm gonna go ahead and use Dusk, and I'm just gonna pop that all over the lid. But you know, there is some fallout. It's like medium fallout, just in case that bothers anyone, just to let you know that there is some fallout there. Wow, so the colors are going on really nice. There is tons of pigment on that. Nice, look at how easy that went on. Right into 8 p.m. and I'm just gonna make it like full dark and smoky, so let's see if this works. Oh my gosh, that is pigmented. Wow. Okay, so I went ahead and just blended out a little bit more. It was a little bit more challenging to blend. You see a little bit of a separation here and here. We're gonna go ahead and do the next eye. In all of these palettes, there's no mirrors on the top, so just something to mention as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use 5 p.m. on the whole base, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit darker with these 2 colors on the bottom. That is crazy. Do you see that? Holy moly. Pretty simple eye over here. Like, the pigment is unreal. I'm gonna go into Afterglow and I'm just gonna pop that right on the middle of my eyelid there. So I'm a little surprised with that because after the mattes being so pigmented, oh, actually, you know what? I just didn't have enough product on my finger. I'm gonna go ahead, put some mascara on. I might put a little eyeliner under here, and then we'll come back for the lips and we'll do a last minute check-in. The only thing I am noticing already is that I am getting creases. So normally, like the Laura Mercier setting powder really helps to control any creasing, but I am seeing some creasing right around my smile lines here, which I do normally get, but they are a little bit more pronounced than normal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of the lipstick. It's like there's more of a darker brown, like a nudish color, and then more of this orange color. So again, I'm not surprised, but everything I've been using is so pigmented. It is drying down, but not super fast, which I do like because then it gives me more working time. That is that. I feel like this matches so well with this eye. I wish I had this eye over here as well. The blush, like that container I thought was super cool. The highlight just went on like any other regular highlight. A contour, there was only one of them, so I don't know how well it's gonna match with everybody. The eyeshadow, this side, I did like this one better. It blended out a lot easier with the red tones. I had a little bit of trouble with the 8 p.m. and Dusk blending together, as you can see here. The lipstick, I really like the lipstick, no complaints about it at all. The foundation overall, get close up here. So here's the foundation close up to the forehead. That's it, nice and close up. Curious to see, and I'll let you guys know too if this breaks me out in the morning. And then the concealer, I like the concealer as well. No issues with that. It blended out nice. That is it. Overall, I actually really enjoyed this collection and the products. I think the powder was my least favorite. And like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like this video, leave a comment. I'm always reading those. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday, which is going nicely. I'm happy, proud of myself, a little pat on the back, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.